What if you could manage a full team of AI agents operating 24/7? LobeHub acts as your ultimate chief agent operator for continuous AI workflows. It hires, schedules, and reports on your entire AI workforce while you remain in full control. Over on GitHub, the repository showcases agent collaboration setup files alongside clear architectural documentation. The clean interface gives you a central dashboard to supervise every running background task. With over 80,000 stars on GitHub, developers are rapidly adopting autonomous agent operations. You can hire specialized agents, schedule their operations, and receive automatic progress reports. Your instructions pass to the chief agent operator, which coordinates scheduled tasks across agents continuously. The framework treats agents as units of work, balancing creation, continuous operation, and coevolution. Set up your team, assign ongoing tasks, review automated reports, and evolve your workflows together. Everything is open source, allowing you to inspect agent harnesses and customize deployment configurations. You can self-host the entire system easily using Docker containers or fast Vercel deployments. Getting started locally begins by creating your project database directory with a single terminal command. You stay completely in charge of your operations without needing to stay online all day. Transform your static AI chats into a productive 24/7 autonomous workforce. Check out LobeHub on GitHub today to start building your own round-the-clock AI team.